So we're out here in Fontana, California, and I've got my repainted timber, and it's pretty windy today, probably 15, 20, gusting to 25 maybe. It's generally pretty windy around this part. Put you guys in the shadow so the sun's not so bright there. So we're going to take this opportunity to fly it in the wind and see how it does. I'll be flying with no stability control. I have a plug-and-play model. So we're currently no flaps here. We'll go ahead and put in the first set of flaps. First stage of flaps, and the second here. That's around 50% power. Retracting to intermediate flaps, and retract it. Go out, figure 8. Back into the wind here, tack it around, first stage of flaps, the wind's picking up a little bit, so I'm actually getting a nice hover out of just the intermediate flaps. Raise them, power up and go around here. And the shade of these buildings in this tree doesn't really work so hot. I'm going to walk it out this way, rudder her back in. Good gust of wind. We're pretty stable here. No flaps. Definitely riding right into the stall there when it starts coming down. The slats and the wingtips definitely keep it from dropping off to either side. Power's way down, maybe in the 15 to 20% range, holding a little bit of back pressure. Got 20% power. I'm going to go ahead and put another battery in it because with the wind I don't really want it to come up weak. Let's do this real quick. We're going to flip it over. Pop that guy out. Hopefully that's not for me. I would consider this one failing of this plane. This is a bitch to get in here. Alright. On the flaps for reference, we have the first position and the second position. So I do have a pretty significant amount of deployment when you look at it from the side there. So small degree of flaps. Power to raise the tail. Away we go. Alright, so we're no flaps, 50% power. I'm holding at about 10% back pressure right now. Just able to sit up. travel there. No flaps. Trying to bring it down a little closer to us. Put in intermediate flaps now. Definitely traveling backwards. Grabbing them like snails. There we go. Using that rudder to keep the weather vane into the wind. Using the ailerons just to keep it balanced. Just enough back pressure to keep us stopped. There we go. That was backwards travel on high alpha there. Alright, so I'm bringing the nose down here, cut the power a little bit. See if we can do this a little closer here. Alright, back onto the alpha hover, and the wind just picked us up. Oh! Flaps up, full power. Woohoo! I'd say we're pushing closer to the 2025 I was talking about right now. It is pretty stable, but the air is a little swirly off these poles, so. Okay, that's hands off right now, no AS3X. Give a little aileron, a little rudder. Point her nose down, bring her back around. Got some of that speed. First degree of flaps. And the wind has definitely died off again. We're down closer to the 10 mile an hour, maybe 16 tops. A bit of push right now. Well, rudder turn. We're going to execute another rudder turn. Excuse me, those are hammerheads. A rudder turn would have been flat. Now we're obviously exceeding what you should be doing with this plane. Having flown a E-Flite Tundra, its heavier wing loading is going to make it penetrate this a little bit better, but it's not going to have nearly the float. The difference between the two is just going to be how heavy it feels. Picks up. Coming in again, no flaps, about 15% power, keeping the speed up so I've got control. Woo! Touch and go, why not? That was an abort before I ever touched down. Alright. And with a little speed, gonna bleed it off. Track those flaps. Proper crosswind taxi technique. Back around here. First degree of flaps. Zero flaps, about 20% power. That was a hard gust under that wing. I'm going to put the flaps in, see if we can back up here. Tacking here. We can lose some ground. Turn this into a reverse landing approach here. Oh, the wind just dropped off on me. Flaps up and around we go. Intermediate flaps. airspeed.